Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Thursday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, tech hardware and equipment, as well as software and services sectors. Now, on the economic docket, Empire Manufacturing increasing to 23.3 in November from 21.1 in October. The Philly Fed business outlook declining to 12.1 in November. Retail sales advancing by 0.8% and the import price index improving by 0.5% in October. This all while initial jobless claims reaching 216,000 in the week ended November 16th, continuing claims increasing to 1.676 million in the week ended November 3rd, all while advancers beating out decliners. 73% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday, now after the markets closed. NVIDIA announcing third quarter adjusted EPS of $1.84 on revenue of $3.18 billion. Nordstrom reported third quarter diluted EPS of 39 cents versus 67 cents 1 year ago. This on revenue of $3.75 billion, as net income dropped by 41% year over year to $67 million. Intel said it has approved a $15 billion increase in its authorized stock repurchase program. This all while Asian markets continue to trade mixed today. Yes, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.5%. The Hang Seng up 0.31%. China CSI 300 up about 0.5%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.21%. European markets slightly down and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Viacom fourth quarter EPS seen at 96 cents on sales of approximately $3.4 billion, while on the economic docket 9:15 in the morning, we have the October industrial production read as well as capacity utilization. 4 o'clock p.m. September total net TIC flows. Over in the markets, the S&P 500 is where you begin, and that sees the bias remain bullish. The Nasdaq also sees the bias remain bullish, but that's in focus this Friday morning as the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 68.18 are favored with targets at 69.20 and 69.63 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish as well.